Greetings, everyone. My name is Muhtasim Khan. I'm studying computer systems technician at Seneca Polytechnic. On one of my courses, which is MST 300, I've been asked to show my work on Project 1. So here we go. At first, I need to demonstrate that I can connect to my client VM using Azure Bastion. Let's go to virtual machines. Here I've created 3 VMs according to the instruction. This is client VM. Connect via Bastion. And again, I should be sure that I'm using active domain user account, which and this one I've added to domain admins. And the link to my domain. For password, I think I need to retype it. Connect. It works. Before showing the second thing, I want to start my web server VM as well, since web server VM has the IIS service installed onto it, so I cannot access the web page without turning the VM which has IIS on it. Okay, web server, connect via Bastion. Again, same drill, domain user, domain link, and password. I think I should retype it just in case, um, because sometimes it doesn't work. Okay, now I want to visit the web page that I've created on web server VM using IIS service. Okay, it should work now. Yeah, it's working. And again, we have to make sure that we use our student ID. This is my student ID mentioned in here. Okay, Eh, that's it. And for now, we have to show for networking. Virtual networks. I've created 3 virtual networks for each VM. This is for mm, domain controller, web server VM, and client VM. Web server VM, let's go to peerings, which is very important, or else the VM would not know that they are on the same domain. VM1 to VM2. As you can guess, it's domain controller to web server. Again, domain controller to client VM. For VM2, let's go to peerings, sorry, it's client VM to domain controller, client VM to, I'm sorry, client VM to web server VM. Or I'm saying it totally wrong. Sorry. So it's web server VM. VNet2 is connected to the web server VM. VM2 to VM1, you know it already, domain controller. And this one is for web server VM to client VM. Okay. This virtual group is for, sorry, this virtual network is for client VM. Again, client VM to domain controller, client VM to web server VM. Okay. And for subnets, I've created only one subnet for each of them, except for one. I'm going to show you. This is for client VM. This is for web server VM. And in this particular virtual network, I created 2 subnets as I am instructed to do so. Okay. Now we log into our domain controller VM. Connect via Bastion. Again, same drill. One of the accounts I've created on domain users and the domain link and the password. I want to retype it just in case. Mm, nice. So now we have to show that I'm specifically using my student ID here. As you can see, student ID, manage. Let's go to, sorry, tools. Yes, Active Directory users and computers. This is the link, as you can see, computers. Nice, both of them are connected. The client VM and web server VM is connected. I think that's about it that we are asked to show. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video. I hope uh, that you will find this helpful.